Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of around $2.710. Currently it is trading at this particular level. Okay, and previously from 2 days there is a continuous downfall we have seen. As you can see, both red candles are forming, made a high of around $2.767 and a low of around $2.656. okay, and this is the level where you can see. So if this level move further down, then a probability of going further low we can see, or if this level sustain, then chances of going further upside we can see, because these are the level which is already being weak resistance, so chances are high and tested, so probability will be high that if the price comes close to this level, a further upside we can see. Okay, now if you go closely, what you can see, a U pattern is trying to form. Okay, after that there is a continuous upside. If the price sustain above a level of $2.791, keep a note of it, that it will create a pattern and chances will be high that it can cross a level of $2.93 to a level of $3.053. This is on a higher side, that if the price sustain this level, because this is a strong resistance as of now, so once it sustain we can see further upside. Okay, now if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what you can see, but if it is trading below this particular level, we can see it will move in this zone again, a zone of $3 and $2, where it is moving since Jan of 2023 third week. Okay, so once the price move above this particular level, so before we move ahead and explaining where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, a level of around 4.1 to a level of 4.35, this is a gap pending, so there is high chances of making profit at this particular level. So if the price sustain above 3.9, chances are very high it will touch this particular zone, and once it sustain this level 4.1, we can see it will be touching our level of 4.35, and then further upside if the price sustain. Okay, you have to understand something, the market is always uncertain, so always try to set your SL. Okay, that is foremost thing you have to understand. Okay, and always try to trail your SL. Why? Because if you're in profit, always try to exit in profit. Okay, this is the most important thing. But if you are in loss, always set your SL, so that your capital can be saved as well as your profit also can be saved. Okay, so now if the price sustain, what you can see, probability is high that it can touch a level of its resistance, strong resistance. As of now it is continuously on the upside, and chances will be high it will cross a level of around $2.774, and it will touch a level of around 2.792. This $2.792 is a strong resistance. Okay, and chances are very high that if this sustain, we can see it can touch a level of around $2.948, and if the price sustain above this particular level, it will cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $3.034. okay, now this is a strong resistance as of now, what you can see. But if it sustain, and chances are very high it will sustain, because it is moving since long and we have not seen since Jan of 2023, so chances are high this will cross upside, and once it sustain this level, a probability of going towards 3.362 is there. Keep repeating you all this because you have to understand something, that the market is now stronger as soon as it break this particular zone. And tomorrow, as you know, that Fed monetary policy statement is coming and Fed interest rate decision is coming, so chances are very high that we can see a good volatility, and we can see there will be an upside, because there is a continuous upside we have seen in the price of natural gas. Okay, so once it sustain above $3.35, chances are very high it will touch a level of $3.5 to a level of around 3.7. After 3.5, 3.7 is a weak resistance, so chances of touching 3.9 is on higher side, and then we can see it will go further upside. But as I have already explained you, that market is always uncertain, you cannot be predicting that it will make a sharp rise or sharp fall. How it moves, it hold for some time, that is how it goes upside. In the same way, it hold for some time, that is how it moves further down. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, Suppose if the price fall below this particular level, it will move towards a level of $2.683, and if the price fall below this particular level, it will come down towards a level of 2.654. okay, and this is the zone. As soon as it breaks this zone, we can see it will fall further low, and a probability of going towards 2.586 is there. And if the price fall below that particular zone, chances of going further down we can see, and then we can see a level of $2.47. As soon as it will come in the zone, then we can see a pattern will form, and chances are very high that as soon as it break this particular zone, chances of touching this is on a higher side because there is a pattern forming. Okay, so once it move below this particular level, we can see it will come towards a level of around $2.357, and from there we can see it can fall further down towards a level of 2.152. okay, why? Because as you can see, there will be a opposite U pattern is forming, and then these all supports are already being tested here, so chances of touching a level of 2.15 is there after $2.352, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of around 2.102. This 2.102 is already being a weak support, so chances of going further low we can see, and then it will come in this zone. What is the zone? A zone of this $1.982. okay, keep that in mind that as soon as it breaks a $2 zone, probability of going further low we can see, because this level we have not seen since long, and chances of going further low we can see after 1.982 we can see a level of $1.832, and then further low if the price didn't sustain. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.